Taurus, happy Friday the 13th and Mercury retrograde. You have somebody that's trying to come back your way. This is somebody who's severing ties, ending a relationship, or a relationship is ending for them, that is quietly trying to make their way towards you. Now we have the Magician, the Temperance card, and the Hangman, Pisces, Sagittarius, Gemini, Aries. Be sure to drop your sun, moon, rising down below and let me know where you're watching from. Hit the like button, subscribe, join the family because I upload daily for you guys. Fam. Who had you in a third-party situation here? Six of Pentacles, maybe even another earth sign person that is now getting rid of this third party, ending this third-party relationship, or first party if they're with them now, right? To come towards you. See this Queen of Swords, could be an Aquarius, could be a Gemini or a Libra. Could be anybody, but this being somebody who's highly intelligent, but very cunning as well. Cunning, peep the side eye. Maybe they're a step parent, maybe you are. But with this Hangman here, it's almost like somebody's asking questions about you. Maybe you're the one that walked away with this Nine of Wands or has severed ties. Again, check your playlist. That's been in that you've recently walked away from somebody. Again, join the family. Check out your sun, moon, rising. But this person asking questions about you in an effort to see what's going on, get some clarity, and really get some clarity on your situation here. Maybe this person has some control issues, but not only that, with this Magician, this gives me the vibes of somebody who's coming in and checking a lot of your boxes, but maybe that's the problem. They are attractive, they are intelligent, they are charming, and all of these things, but maybe that's also the problem. Because, like, why do they got a snake? Again, because they're going and in a relationship, maybe with a Virgo here or another earth sign, this Knight of Pentacles here. Oh, somebody's slithering your way. Don't know if this is an old person or a new person. Maybe you know this person through your social circle. We see this Fool card heavy on the Gemini energy. Shout out to the cuspers. Drop your birthdays as well, Taurus fam. But I almost get somebody being mesmerized by you, or you being mesmerized by this person and wanting to move to a Tau. Who's going to be shocked by this union between you or this person? Or you being very shocked by this person reaching out to you? The Eight of Wands here and the High Priestess. Pisces, Scorpio, Aries. Oh, you got a secret admirer here. Somebody who's had feelings for you for a while. That for some reason or another is keeping it quiet as to why they're coming back towards you. Oh, I should have kept that Hangman. Let me find him. Oh, no. Why did I do that? There we go. All right. But, yeah, like, why are they having to quietly come towards you if something's over and ending? And then we see the scar here. Again, air energy. Drop this person's sign as well in the comment section. Now, this may have been somebody who had you in a third-party situation, maybe even a workplace affair here with the Eight of Pentacles. But with this Ace of Wands, Page of Wands, it almost gives me like a friendship circle, or this was an on-again, off-again, maybe even a fling, something short-term. But for some of you, this person was in a relationship or married here with the Emperor. Aries energy. And with this King of Cups here in the reverse and this Two of Wands, maybe they like a little bit of competition. But to this Temperance, this being patient, taking their time, getting rid of this third-party situation, or wanting to keep the situation quiet. Maybe you're friends with a friend of the family or familiar with the ex here, the 10 of Swords. This is like wanting to break the silence, so you must be familiar with this person. You have to be familiar with them. And the Hierophant, and coming up out of a divorce. So somebody who's coming up out of a divorce is trying to make their way towards you. Could be another Taurus here with the Hierophant, but coming up out of something, 9 of Wands, leaving it. And making some bold moves and reaching out with this Page of Wands. Hitting up your phone, maybe even just pulling up on you. But this is definitely reaching out, sending some passionate messages. And with this letter in this Queen of Swords hand, is it poetry that this person is writing? Long letters, speaking about how they feel, missed opportunities. So this may be for some of you, somebody who's been feeling a ways for a while here. Uh-oh. And this 8 of Cups. They've walked away from something, but you must be familiar. You are familiar with this person, and you must be familiar with the person that they were involved with, or getting a divorce from, breaking up with. And that's the reason for them boldly reaching out, but also wanting to keep it quiet. Again, keeping it quiet, the Ace of Swords here. And this Page of Cups. Or excuse me, the King of Cups. Well, why the King of Cups in the reverse? It's given emotional immaturity here because this person's wanting to move cowardly. So while we're being bold in the text messages or on the phone or in these poems or love letters, it's the wanting to keep it hidden for some of you. Or maybe for this person that's a turnoff. Yeah, King of Wands here. And not only that, with the King of Wands and this Page of Wands here, we know that the, I can't remember this parrot's name. Somebody please drop it in the comment section. But with this parrot here, with this parrot here and this King of Wands, we know that this was Jafar's sidekick. Some of y'all are feeling like this person's asking you to be a side piece or a third party. And really, I'm strongly getting they just want to keep the peace between them and this person that they're with. The Devil here in the reverse. Is it a Capricorn? If it's a Capricorn, please check out the Capricorn readings. Be a cross watcher today, because this would resonate with several of the readings from lately. But with this, for some of you, it is reading very much toxic. Like if it's done, then why can't it just be out in the open? But somebody's still all in their feelings here. And this person knows it, but also I almost feel like this person likes the thrill of something being a secret here with the Sun here in the reverse. Could be a Leo or a Sagittarius that's involved as well. But this also speaks to some things being illuminated, looking for brand new beginnings. It's positivity either way it goes, but it's the illumination that a situation is toxic or very much feeling like third party related. Like you're not wanting to feel like you're being kept a secret or in competition with somebody. 2 of Wands here and the 2 of Cups. Drop those angel and repeating numbers in this Tower moment. Yeah. You're not trying to be anybody's secret or creeping in the middle of the night here with the Tower and the Chariot. Maybe this person is into cars and but I almost get with this Chariot in this particular deck, like driving a Mercedes or a luxury vehicle, this particular person. And wanting to pull up on you. And the 7s, with the 7 of Swords and the Chariot here, the Queen of Coins, again, Capricorn, Cancer, air here. There's some trust issues here. You don't trust what this person is saying. Or, again, it's coming off like very third party-ish. Like I have all these feelings, but we have to keep it on the low. Again, the Tower moment, Disney fairy tale, Romeo and Juliet vibes. And some of y'all just aren't feeling it. Like, you might be a little too adult for this. Like if they're not ready to date right now, maybe they're not ready to date right now or be involved in this situation. Interesting. The 9 of Pentacles. 9. And the 9 of Wands, drop those angel repeating numbers. But these 9s is a number of releasing things, letting something go. But this 4 of Wands is also, again, they've broken up, but they're still like holding on to something. Or again, very worried about what this past person is going to think. But I'm also getting for some of you, somebody's trying to keep it quiet because you're familiar with all these parties. And it's just supposed to be a sexual thing. Some of you, I'm getting the vibes. This may not necessarily be somebody reaching out to keep this on the low as much as somebody asking you to get involved in a situation between them and their married person. Oh, maybe a Libra, maybe a Scorpio, maybe somebody on the Scorpio, Libra cusp, cross watchers tap in. But these secret love messages, some of y'all are about to be asked to be a unicorn. Others of you, this person's been watching and waiting for a long time to like link up with you, hook up with you, get to know you, the star here. But again, it's also giving me the poly third party vibes. The Tower here in the Chariot, moving in silence. Somebody hasn't moved on, talking about their ex is crazy here. There's a lot going on here, Taurus. This situation's complicated. Knight of Cups. It's almost like they don't have anything to offer, but they want you to hang out. I'm telling you, for some of you, this is just something to be sexual. Or this is somebody asking to be involved in their third-party situation with them and their spouse. What is this? Or maybe with this 8 of Cups, this is just somebody stepping out here with this Magician. Kind of controlling all these little pieces. Not just the Magician, but also this Devil as well. This 9 of Coins. Somebody wanted to be single, act single. Is this somebody you work with? Making this offer of like I'm strongly getting like odd third wheel or keeping a situation quiet because you know this other person. Again, the 3 parties here with the 7 of Coins tapping in with this person. And again, somebody asking questions about you. Trying to see what's going on with you. Scorpio energy here with the Death card. The Knight of Wands. But keep these messages on the low. Somebody's getting ready to try and invite you into a situation that has to be kept quiet. Somebody needs you to keep something. The High Priestess too. A secret. Illusion, deception, 7 of Cups. These options. Queen of Wands here, Mistress cards, up and down, Mary. Taurus, somebody about to ask you to be a third wheel. And keep it real quiet. Maybe it's only a one-time thing. 8 of Wands, 10 of, is it a one-time thing? This may be a hit and quit it. Y'all need to be careful no matter what, whether this person is saying that they're divorced, inviting you to be into this situation, but unless you're into that kind of thing, you know, we're not judging over here, Planet Fitness. What's with this Hangman? And this is giving like somebody just sitting in the corner vibes. What is going on? Sitting in the corner vibes. It's getting weird. And we don't have readings like this over here. But this 8 of Swords is almost looks like somebody getting caught up in something. And so that's why they're kind of slithering, keeping things low to the ground, keeping it quiet. What's this double life, Knight of Wands? It's like they're trying to catch you off guard with this situation being very exciting and taboo here. But it's to be kept a secret. This is not actually going to turn into a relationship. The Six of Cups here, the Five of Swords, and somebody's going to spin this like they want a relationship or something, but it's really a one-time thing, a hit it and quit it. For some of you, it's like a third-party swingers get-together, poly party, I don't know what. Again, not judgment, but just, it's a lot going on here. Somebody's trying to invite you into their world, but you got to keep it a secret. You might have to sign an NDA, or you might want somebody to sign one. Yeah. Knight of Swords, the Fool, here in the reverse, and this Ace of Coins. Somebody's putting something on the table, but you cannot talk about it. Ooh. You cannot talk about this. Somebody's been watching and waiting for this opportunity. I'm telling you, to turn you out on some weird stuff. Maybe a Scorpio. Maybe they live out in the country. Maybe you do. Maybe it's a fire sign. This fire. But somebody's going to try and capitalize on an opportunity to link up with you. To do something in the dark, in the shadows, behind closed doors, while nobody's looking. And with this Magician, this power and control situation here, somebody sees you looking very good. We see the Six of Swords. It's heavy stepmom. Stepmom here, foster mom, high priestess, all these people at a distance, but like family. Weird. These people might be like family to you, and this person's reaching out. Again, the social circle, you know this person. Taurus, please let me know what this is, because it's looking wild. You got a taboo situation coming your way. This Mercury retrograde is about to hit you hard from somebody close to you with a wild situation. The full moon is out here full mooning, and somebody's feeling that. Somebody's married. The Empress here. And they're involved too. Taurus, I got to get up out of here because I don't know what this is about. Hit the like button, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what resonated for you. Hit the like button. Be a cross-watcher, see what's going on with this person or these people. Personal reading information is down below. Find me on Instagram. Cross-watch information is down below in the description box, and it will be in the comment section. And Taurus family, I'll be tapping in with you very soon. Keep it real.